Bangladesh vs India 3 T20 match series start 6 October 2024. Team India final squad: number 1 Shubman Gill, number 2 Surya Kumar Yadav, number 3 Rituraj Gaikwad, number 4 Yashasvi Jaiswal, number 5 Riyan Parag, number 6 Rinku Singh, number 7 Rishabh Pant wicketkeeper, number 8 Sanju Samson wicketkeeper, number 9 Abhishek Sharma all-rounder, number 10 Shivam Dube all-rounder, number 11 Akshar Patel all-rounder, number 12 Hardik Pandya all-rounder, number 13 Washington Sundar all-rounder, number 14 Ashardeep Singh medium fast bowler, number 15 Khalil Ahmed medium fast bowler, number 16 Mohammad Siraj medium fast bowler, number 17 Harshit Rana medium fast bowler, number 18 Mohammad Shami medium fast bowler.